Quiz Platter. A platter full of knowledge. Kidney quiz. What is the primary function of the kidneys? Answer: D. Filter waste from blood. How many kidneys does a human have? Answer: A. 2. What is the functional unit of the kidney called? Answer: B. Nephron. Which part of the kidney collects urine? Answer: C. Renal pelvis. Which tube carries urine from the kidney to the bladder? Answer: A. Ureter. Which hormone do kidneys produce to regulate red blood cells? Answer: D. Erythropoietin. Which part of the kidney filters blood? Answer: B. Renal cortex. Which blood vessel supplies the kidneys with blood? Answer: C. Renal artery. Which blood vessel carries filtered blood away from the kidneys? Answer: A. Renal vein. What is the tube that carries urine out of the body called? Answer: B. Urethra. Kidneys help maintain the balance of which substances? Answer: D. Water and electrolytes. Which condition is caused by kidney failure? Answer: C. Uremia. What is the approximate weight of both human kidneys combined? Answer: B. 300 grams. Which part of the nephron controls water reabsorption? Answer: A. Collecting duct. Which waste product is excreted in urine by the kidneys? Answer: C. Urea. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.